Hey everyone, I wanted to take a minute to share some exciting new stuff with you, in addition to the awesome deal that we're running on our website for the duration of November. We can't have a holiday season without bringing you some cool new products. First up is the Enigma Express and the skeleton holster for the Glock 42, probably the smallest automatic pistol we offer the Express for. And boy, are we happy with how this turned out. This is my Glock 42, which I carried for a number of years. This is my kind of like t-shirt and shorts weather pistol. And we're very happy to be offering an Express and a skeleton for it. We know it's super popular. It's a great little gun, great shooting little pistol. And we know a lot of you folks carry it. Slim as everything else we make. Nice and easy, fully assembled Enigma Express and our trusty little skeleton holster. But that's not all. We have for you 2 limited edition colors of Floodlight. Let me show them to you. First, grape. We've heard you're clamoring for purple, so we're going to be offering the Floodlight 2, as well as the light-bearing Enigma Express in all of the usual configurations in this fantastic grape color, as well as the seasonally appropriate spice. And this spice can refer to whichever fandom you participate in, be it pumpkin or Dune. And we think this color turned out really great. Let me get a good shot of this so that it really looks like what we're showing you here. This orange turned out great. And we are very happy with these 2 colors. We got as much of this particular dye for the plastic as we could, and we ran it out. So it might be a little while before we are able to make more, but don't worry, we've got a bunch of them. And it might take us a little while to restock if we run out, but I don't think we will, hopefully. These are going to be live on the website at the same time as the Glock 42 selections, and you can get these with the DCC clips as a bare shell if you already have an Enigma that you would like to attach them to, and you can get them as a fully assembled light-bearing Enigma Express, all the usual great stuff for X300 and TLR1. That's what we got for you. We hope you like it.